Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful fish painting with alcohol ink and acrylics. So I start with the photo paper from Staples, but you can use this Nara paper or Yupo or any other photo paper, glossy ones. And I use this 91% isopropyl alcohol. I put it in a small bottle. This is what we use for blending. And I use the back side of the photo paper just to let you know. And first I'm adding the isopropyl alcohol, and then I will add the colors for alcohol ink. So I use this glacier. You could also use blue, but I use this glacier, and I am using another color also, which is teal. So this is the background I'm making with background I'm making with this alcohol ink. So you get a nice watery texture on the backdrop. And later on, when this dries, I will use acrylic paints to draw the fish. So I'll show you a combination of how to use these two art supplies to make this beautiful painting. So you keep adding the ink and blending it with this air blower I got from Amazon. You can search on Amazon by silicone craft blower. So you can get this from Amazon. And I use this to blow the alcohol ink to create beautiful textures. So once you add that isopropyl alcohol and inks, it will blend together, and it's really addictive to make this painting. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe, because I post videos every day and I make all sorts of paintings. I make alcohol ink paintings, I make acrylics, watercolor, everything. So please feel free to subscribe to this channel. So I let this layer dry completely, and then I'm starting to paint with acrylics. I use this colors pink, blue, yellow, white, black, and some greens too. So you can just follow along. And for this painting you can use any colors that you like, because fish come in all sorts of colors, so it's up to your imagination. I'm just using these color combinations. You don't need much water. If you want, you can add a little bit of water to paint, but not too much. So I'm blending this pink and blue to create a nice purple color. And then let's start painting the fish. I am using this flat angled brush, and I'm loading one top side with pink and bottom with the purple, so you get a double layered effect. Nice one stroke kind of look for this fish painting. So just draw a random shape of a fish. See, as you can see two colors coming along, very pretty.